everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do just a little bit of a chatty get ready with me while I try out some new makeup. And yep, I'm trying one other foundation. I am trying out the Chanel VITLUMIERE foundation. This is a subscriber, Jennifer. This is her go-to like no makeup foundation. So I was like, I have got to give that one a try. So we'll be trying that out today, as well as the new Hourglass Scattered Lights. This is their holiday edition, you guys. So pretty. I was able to score those at Bluemercury before I left, but they now are available as well on the Hourglass website, which they also just launched their holiday Ghost palette. So you guys, I am trying out a new concealer from Tom Ford. We got to give that a go, as well as a new lippy from Chanel. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look using some of these great new products, then let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, let's start by trying out the Chanel VITLUMIERE foundation. So this is a subscriber's favorite that then of course I was intrigued because it's Chanel. And I ended up just getting a sample first before purchasing because I wanted to give it a try. But this is described as a moisture-rich, dewy foundation. So of course, all of that sounds lovely to me. And they have a very limited shade range in the VITLUMIERE. But I do know that the people that can find a match are just absolutely in love with it. So I was like, we gotta give this a try. They matched me in 20. And we are gonna try this on, you guys. It's supposed to be kind of a natural looking foundation. Right now I have nothing on except my skincare and SPF. And I was dying to give this a try. So this was described as like makeup when you're trying to have that no makeup look. So we'll see if I like that. I tend to like a little bit more coverage, but that is just me. It does have kind of that Chanel scent. It's not hugely fragranced as some of the other foundations, for me at least. That's my first impression. So this foundation is described as creamy, comforting, and luxurious. It's got a lightweight texture that is supposed to instantly revitalize and hydrate the complexion. It says that it has medium coverage. I feel like it's more of a light to medium coverage. Blends effortlessly for the look of perfectly smooth, radiant skin. So you guys, I'm kind of surprised I have not tried this before because that is right up my alley. It said it is formulated with ingredients that specifically target dry, dull, and uneven skin with moisturizing agents that hydrate and comfort the skin. Marine extract helps to enhance radiance, while light reflecting pigments smooth away imperfections, creating a soft focus effect. Walnut extract revitalizes and protects skin. So this is kind of like, I think, for more mature skin or dry skin, but I have several people that absolutely love this foundation and they've asked me why I haven't tried it, and I was like, I do not know. So you guys, let's take a look. Okay, so first impressions, you guys, is this is more to a light to medium. It kind of just looks like skin. It's not going to give you a huge amount of coverage, but it is very kind of radiant and giving me that kind of glow. So one thing for me is I just tend to like a little bit more coverage. I know it's just a personal preference, but I am really enjoying that this is glowy, kind of skin-like, actually kind of liking it. Now, there is only 7 shades. So this is a very limited shade range, and I would be curious to see if they are going to kind of get rid of that foundation, because whenever I go there, nobody ever recommends it, but the people that do own it love it. So the next thing that I have on the list is a new concealer, and again, this is another subscriber's absolute favorite. This is Stacy. Stacy and I have become good friends via YouTube / we're just total makeup lovers, and I feel like she should be on YouTube, but that's all right. She swears by this. So there is a, right now there is price matching going on at Nordstrom and Macy's, and Macy's now sells this as well, you guys. They sell Tom Ford. Mine does not sell locally. I can't get Chanel or Tom Ford there, but they are price matching at Nordstrom, and I was able to pick this up with a note as well as on sale. So this is the Emotion Proof Concealer, and I got it in shade 3 Pale Dune. So we're gonna give this guy a try here, and it has a very interesting kind of wand. I'm liking that, and we are gonna go ahead and put this guy on, kind of light. I'm gonna put just a little bit here, guys. The texture of this is really thin and nice, so I am liking that a lot. For some reason, I thought it would be thick. I do not know. When I think of Emotion Proof and Cry Proof, I thought that it would be like super thick. I'm gonna put a little bit just around my nose area. I feel like that really brightened up underneath my eyes. We'll see about how it creases and such. You guys, I have wrinkles underneath my eyes, so anytime I'm gonna put a product underneath my eyes, I feel like, yes, it's gonna crease a little bit. If you guys have a total crease proof concealer, please let me know. I would love to hear what I need to pick up. Okay. So far, we have our complexion on, we've got our concealer. Let's move on to eyes. And before I left to go home to Des Moines, I picked up these Hourglass. These are the scattered lights. You guys, this is the holiday special edition scattered lights. And they happen to have them already at Blue Mercury. So of course I was like, I gotta check these out because I love the scattered lights. I have several of these. You guys, I love the formulation. They give you a little bit of exactly that, some lightness on your eyes, but without any of the glitter fallout. So I love them, especially for more mature eyes. I don't need to be having a glitter balm all underneath. So let's go ahead and swatch these beauties. You guys, they come in some special edition colors. This is foil, and they are out. You guys, they were launched today on the Hourglass. Ooh, you guys, wow. Okay, check this beauty out. Let's get, oh my gosh. Okay, they're just, it's a really unique formula. And I'll be giving you the full swatch in a minute, but wow, look at that. This is like a true like amber color. So pretty. And I just adore these. So my favorite is Reflect. That's one of my favorite. I like Smoke, and gosh, I got Vivid, the green one. So here, you guys, is this gorgeous cranberry color. Oh wow. Let's see, I'll give you the exact name. This is Molten. And again, I'll put that up. But this is, look at that, cranberry-ish color. So pretty. And then this is probably my favorite, and this is in Ray. They just have such a great little formulation. I just stick my finger in like this, comes out like this, and then, oh, look how pretty Ray is. Look at this beautiful colors, you guys. So this is foil, this is molten, and this is Ray. Really pretty. And you guys, I seriously, these last forever. They do not dry out, and they just add the perfect lightness to your eyes. So pretty. Now, I did get the Ghost palette. It is on its way. I'm so excited. I really love Hourglass products, thus the reason I could not wait for that one to come out. They're sort of like collector's items, but I actually do use those and they last forever. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna use, I think I wanna use, maybe we'll use a combination of Ray and Molten, we'll see. But I think what I'll do is just lay down a little base color on my lid. I'm gonna use the Pillow Talk Quad, you guys, and I am just gonna place kind of this shade. I'm gonna mix these two together to kind of put just a little base on my lids before we play with those scattered lights. Just kind of a basic little wash of color, kind of bronze and Pillow Talk, kind of bronze and rose shades. So I'm gonna use the Ray Hourglass, and I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna put it right in here, you guys. It's just a really pretty kind of taupey bronze shade, and we're gonna tap that on right in the middle. I'm gonna take this Rowan Everything brush and I'm just gonna kind of spread that about, but can you see how pretty it just gives your eyes? It goes from kind of basic to ba-ba boom in 2 seconds. And I love this Ray shade, it's so pretty. For fun, I'm gonna take a little bit of Molten just to kind of show you this cranberry color here, so pretty. This time my fingers are kind of big. I feel like I'm gonna get it all over. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this on this brush, which is perfect for this kind of formulation here. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on the outer. Guys, I'm gonna shut my eyes and show you a little bit of this. This is Ray and Molten mixed. This is great for the holidays, a little ba-ba boom. I am going to quickly tightline my upper lash line here. For fun, I'm gonna do just a little bit of purple chalk in my waterline on the bottom. I literally, you guys, am at the end. I need to buy another one. That's how much I love this. Okay, I am gonna go put on loads of mascara. I'm gonna be using my Chantecaille, fix my eyebrows real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, we have eyes on. Again, I think those little scattered lights are so pretty. Definitely would pick that up for the holiday or just every day like myself. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of my favorite bronzer on. Yep, I still love this, you guys. Yep, I still love this, you guys. I still use it pretty much every single day. So I am going to put this guy on. I'm gonna put on one of my favorite blushes. This is from Chanel and this is in Elegance. Just a super pretty, neutrally kind of pinky peach that I just find to be really pretty. I'm gonna just put a little bit of that on. I like to always take just a teeny bit of my blush and I like to add that into my crease. For powder, I'm going to be using my Hourglass Veil powder. You guys, this has just pretty much been my favorite powder, kind of universal. And I am just going to put this down. I don't want to take away any of the radiance, but I do want to kind of blend everything together. Then another little product I got before I left on my trip, and you know it was gonna be Chanel, right? I picked up one of the Beige lip balms, and I actually picked it up in the color Intense, which I know looks like a really dark, kind of almost red color, but you guys, it is the most beautiful sheer. I guess you would say, I would call this a rich berry color, but it gives such life to your lips. I love the balm formulation. It's just easy for someone like myself, and I'm gonna show you, you just literally can slick this on. And again, you can just dab it on and make it as intense as you want or as sheer as you like. You can definitely build this up if you like, but again, I just find that it's not too overpowering, not too like super red. I find it just to be kind of this, just a really pretty sheer wash of balm. It's really comfortable on the lips, but it gives me a little bit more oomph, and I feel like it really livened up my complexion. So that was something that I took with me on my trip home. Speaking of which, okay, you guys, this is the finished look using some of the new makeup items that I have picked up or was trying out. And I have to say, I've got some new stuff sitting over here too that I'm going to be showing you as well. So I am back home. I'm so glad to be home. I kind of survived everything, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all your support. We went home, we had a wake service one day, and then we had the funeral the next. I survived getting up and speaking, and we wore our matching dresses. Actually, I'll put a couple pictures here of our dresses. We had, in honor of my mom, she used to love to dress us up as kids in matching outfits. So we got a few fun Lily Pulitzer dresses in bright, fun colors, because my mom would absolutely love that. So actually, I'll put two pictures up of those dresses, you guys. They were super cute, kind of fun for us to be able to do that and to honor her that way, because seriously, she would have loved that. So thank you guys so much for your support, all your kind words. So many of you have reached out to me, and I have to tell you it means the world to me, because losing your mama, I have to admit, is pretty darn rough, and I'm doing fine. I think I have just not fully processed, and I think it's gonna take some time. So I'm just glad to be back home and diving back into work. I have my upcoming detox coming out, so I will give you more details about that in the next few days, as well as I've got tons of new fun makeup coming my way. Oh my gosh, there's just so many launches going on. And as always, you guys, if there's something specific that you would like me to review, please let me know. I am kind of working through those, but obviously I love makeup. It makes me happy, and I love getting on YouTube and sharing my thoughts and opinions and hearing yours as well. So thank you guys so much for everything, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.